I put tomato paste, flour, onion, pepper, garlic, and I have the beans over here. I make everything from scratch. I cook my beans overnight, like I soak my beans and I cook my beans this morning. And I put some carrots for the beans. It's very good white beans. Hot water. This is the base for the white beans. I'm gonna add some lime. Fresh squeezed lime. It's a simple dish, but it's very good. If you like beans, I love white beans, black beans, red beans. And I'm gonna add some fresh tomato from my garden. And I'm gonna leave this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm adding some black pepper and some salt. And I did add some fresh garlic and a little bit sugar, like a teaspoon of sugar. 2.5 cups of hot water. And you can see the color of the bean, how beautiful it is, and the taste is wonderful. I tried this overseas when I was in vacation, and was just a simple beans and rice, but I did fall in love with the dish. I'm soaking the rice in hot water to remove the starch. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add some olive oil. And after that, I'm gonna add some meat stock. I like meat chews, and I'm gonna cook in the meat chews. This is the rice, it's done. This is the bean. You see how beautiful it is? I'm gonna put the bean on the top of the rice together. And I'm gonna put a little bit meat in the side. I have some pot roast. I cook in a slow cooker. I put in the side. The pot roast you can eat with the sandwich, you can eat with the mashed potato, you can eat with rice. But this is the way I put everything together. I hope you guys will.